The most generic simulations include a tutorial so that learners who are new to trading are being guided. The tutorial provides you with an introduction to what is shown on screen. This contributes to getting an understanding of market working and to master the basics of trading. The tutorial informs you about what is shown. It allows you to engage more actively with the content and to fulfill your tasks more effectively. The guide clarifies the understanding of what you are learning. It may also clarify any concepts that you may not be clear on yet. Next, the tutorial advances your knowledge. It improves your thinking, processing, and interpretation skills. Meanwhile, it also prepares you for the exam. The tutorial allows you to get an overview of what is to be seen on screen, what these elements mean, and what kind of information or data certain windows reflect. In other words, the tutorial takes you along a journey so that you can focus on what should be looked at and when to do so. This helps to get an understanding of what is relevant for traders, what is key for risk managers, what trade surveillance staff would focus at, and what trading operations specialists consider. This way you can see what actions in the market lead to what kind of interactions within a company with a trading function.